I'm a qualified driving test examiner and I'm about to do something that's never been done before. I've packed this video with essential tips that high-end driving instructors charge top dollar for and a tester would never tell you, until now. Don't miss out on these game-changing insights that could spell the difference between passing and failing. From my years as a driving test examiner, here are some of the most common fail items and most crucial points you need to know. 1. Stop correctly at stop signs. Did you know you can fail your test for stopping too far back from a stop sign? You have to stop close to the line on the road, but not over it. It's the same fail item as if you hadn't stopped at all. 2. Green lights don't always mean go. Sometimes they mean wait for a gap in the traffic flow. Tip: if you're turning right and don't see a green arrow, you have to give way to cars going straight and turning left. So, inch into the intersection slowly, and then wait for a gap. If a gap doesn't happen while the light is green, as soon as it turns red, complete your right turn. 3. Observation head checks. Your blind spots are the area located by looking out of the back passenger windows. This is the spot you must check whenever you are moving your vehicle sideways. Checking these spots involves turning your head, usually chin to shoulder. For instance, check in your direction of travel immediately before moving to the curb. Moving out from the curb. Lane changes, including moving into turning lanes and crossing lane lines to exit multi-lane roundabouts. The red light runner head check. Turn your head to check that the cars are actually obeying their red light before you enter the intersection on your green light. Turn your head and look behind you before and while reversing. 4. Roundabout rules. Always give way to cars already in the roundabout no matter what lane they're in. And remember to signal left before you exit. 5. When you drive close to the curb, drive so slowly that if you brush it, you can stop before you roll onto it. 6. Be speed savvy. It's okay to drive 5-10 kilometers under the speed limit. 7. Fogged up windows. Turn on that air conditioning to keep your vision clear. Set it to shoot air at the windscreen to maximize its impact. 8. Car won't start. Try shifting to park and give it another go. Ready to ace your Australian driving test? Save this for your pre-test prep and watch your confidence soar. Comment your driving test question and subscribe for more test tips. Drive safe, Australia.